Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Suriname. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, Republic of Suriname has outsourced its e-visa to VFS Global. So I've opened this VFL global page for Suriname. Now, what I would suggest before you go into anywhere, you click on FAQ and get answers to most of the questions. Okay, like what to do and other things. Entry fee, for example, how much time it takes, document the payment fee or single with entry. So all such information you find it. Okay. Now once you are ready, you can click on apply now right from here. You don't have to go to home page and do. You can do it right from here. Now, in order to, if you come here for the first time, you're going to click on register, put your email, password, confirm password, and then your email will be confirmed in step 2 with a code, and then you can log in. But I have done that step already, so I'm going to log in and then I'm going to see you guys. So here, like I logged in and I click on apply. It's asking like, are you applying with group family? Then you need to select this. If you're applying for your own, select this and click on save and continue. Nationality at present, whatever it is, do that as per your case. Of course, not what you see here. The first thing, I'm just putting sample, you do it as per your own case. Like that. Application type is giving you multiple options. I'll just say 3 months. Purpose of visit, tourism, phone number, IST code, select as per your own case and put your phone number. Don't do like this. Provide correct phone number. Applicant details. Surname, date of birth. Place of birth. You can check your passport, okay? Gender, nationality at birth. Okay. Permanent address. Of course, you know your address, so provide that. Don't do like this. Passport number. Of course, you know that. Don't do like this. Passport issued at country. Passport issued date. Expiry date. Occupation. Name of employer. Address of employer. Definitely provide this information. Why would you hide it? But this is not mandatory, and this is a sample video. That's why I'm skipping it. In your actual, definitely provide that. Why to hide? Mode of transport. Let's go coming by air. Flight number. If you have booked, definitely you know. Ticket number. Date of arrival. How long you're planning to stay in days? Let's say you're gonna stay for 10 days. Have you ever applied for Suriname eVisa? Have you ever been to Suriname? Are you plan to visit other countries in the region? Will you be accompanied by spouse, children? Which countries you stayed for greater than 6 months in the last 5 years? So do it as per your own case. I just select this. So are you traveling to from Suriname? Let's hit India. Are you authorized to enter that country? Yes. I am a citizen. Document passport page. Uh, Photograph travel itinerary and hotel. Okay. Of course, like these things are required. And then so accommodation details. Anyway, I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Name of place where you will stay in Suriname. So of course, if you have booked, definitely know address. Of course, you know address also. Telephone number. Of course, like it will be in a booking. Name of reference person. So if you don't know anyone, you can definitely get it from your hotel. Okay, address, phone number, and financial support. How you're gonna support yourself, your money, and other details. Then in the disclaimer, you're gonna accept it, and from there, you're gonna go and pay. Of course, I'm not gonna do that step, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.